now we're back to recording as well.
So, Meow, very one of the early Smash 4 Raw players, like the earliest known Raw player for Smash 4 for the Oregon scene.
He was in the dying race, but this game has revived it. Look at him.
Yes, it has. I haven't. He went missing for a while at the late end of Smash 4. Now, there's actually just a lot of people coming back.
Makes sense. New game, new life. Plus, this is like, it just came out a few months ago. The game just came out a few months ago, and it's like winter.
It feels longer than that.
I know. But then again, you look at all like this tech and like stuff that's come in compared to like early Smash 4, and we realize we've come so far.
Yeah.
Something that Meow's been doing specifically right now has been not challenging. In these like quote unquote combos, he's been just like forward airing out, just trying to get out with an air, which didn't work right there, but it has gotten him a little bit of money.
You know, in actuality, I really like those pseudo kill throws with the ones that like bury into like things that are always going to kill them no matter what. There's something you really get salty about, but you actually shouldn't. Like, it's just a throw that's killing you at 160. What are you mad about?
Exactly.
Like Snake has that with his. If you're at like 160, he gets a guaranteed up tilt.
Yeah,
but
it's a kill confirm. Yeah. But it just feels different. In reality, it's the same thing. Like,
it's just a kill throw.
Yep. Except you get to interact with it more. Now it's looking for.
Oh, what happened with other stuff? I didn't realize Trident was winning.
Oh yeah, he used neutral B. And
good mash. That time just went for the jump.
Not gonna kill that.
This seems like it would be an abysmal matchup.
For DK? Heavies in this game are really putting in work.
Yes, unless you're K-Rool. Everybody abandoned 4 K-Rool.
Everyone has him as like the joke secondary.
Oof.
Very good showing from Trident. I saw there was a lot of good things that Meow did, but Trident was just out-punished me after that second stock.
I'm surprised he wasn't able to mash out at 80 and go all the way down there.
Yeah. Maybe I didn't really hear any kind of like mashing until it was a little delayed mashing from Meow. Oh wait, no, wrong. Now,
one thing that always makes me feel stupid is that I always I have a habit of lead mashing. Yeah. So it's like if I know I'm gonna get grabbed, I'm already mashing.
Yeah.
But it looks and feels ridiculous when someone doesn't do the thing I have to mash for. So there's sudden button clicking, but I just got forward throw it immediately. I just feel stupid.
Well, think about it. It's a bait. They're trying to mash out your controller.
Sorry, who am I playing?
Okay.
Game 2. Oh, I'm so glad this stage is legal. This is a good stage.
Especially with characters with like wall jumps or that can ride the recovery thing. And in that speaking of that, good stage for this character.
I think this stage actually has one of the lowest ceilings too.
It does.
So not only is it a tri-plat where you can get like those early kills off the top, it kind of baits you to do it with the lowest ceiling.
The only thing that is unfortunate to me is that Randall is not here. But I understand why he's not here, because he messes up with tether recoveries, i.e. Ivysaur and such. Either way, very good stage, and I'm happy it's legal. Now, this is what happened with
that one.
This is something that happened with Game 1. It was very, very like even at the beginning. Well, both
that's
fishing for a kill.
Yeah.
But it seems like Trident is putting on this mental. He's like playing slowly. And now like players move. Very good.
One of the more common Rob setups.
But those are the things you have to be consistent.
I don't mean to say like a detriment to Trident for falling for it. Like they're gonna go for something, but it just works best sometimes.
You can, that's what like the basis options like.
Yeah, just like which option will work in more situations. I'm probably gonna go with that one. However, when it comes down to kills, it looks like whoever gets the whiff punish.
Yeah.
That's what a lot of kills have been.
But they've both been
Low ceiling.
Ooh, this is one of the things that stopped Meow from winning last game, getting those kills. Because he went for up airs a lot of the time, and they would not kill on Pokemon Stadium. But with, like, this being a triplat and with such a short, like, low ceiling, he can use these up airs. He can just has more of a chance of getting these kills, which is definitely going to help.
And not only that, DK is one of those characters that's just infamous for not being able to get down to the ground.
Yep. He's definitely playing his defense.
Up B just eats the...
And he's been getting hit with these up Bs a lot.
Oh, cook him with the back burner.
I love that move. I don't like getting hit by it, but I love seeing it. You know? It's like from afar, it gives me a little pleasure.
Where'd he go?
Where are we going? Game 3.
Smash Ball?
Oh, that one.
Golden Plains.
Maybe he wants to go to Battlefield version. Yeah.
Because I run the
What are the things you want to see more from Trident? Especially considering last game. What
I'm not sure. It's more like more calculated approach. I want to say something like that. Something where it's like you gotta take the path of pain. You gotta get hit by something to get in a better spot.
You want him to start trading more.
Yes. Yeah, he wants to like trade a little bit. Like if you're gonna trade with Robs and Air, you're gonna do probably more damage. It doesn't do a whole ton of damage, but it's just safe. And down tilt makes it more safe.
Unfortunately, the last trade that he had, well, but considering the last two trades, I would say for both players, that was a definitely GameStop trade. Because one got like a lot of percent, and the other got a few. Like Trident got a slightly meaty combo, and then Meow got hit with similarly a. Oh, by the way, there's snow out there.
There's a lot of snow, and suddenly there's an alert going on.
Oh. Shout out to Wait. Can we get a comment from you? Can we get a comment on stream for you?
Yeah, Sacred might get shut down. This is going to be hard to give people a refund because the bracket kind of already started, but we'll play it by ear and see what happens. I'm going to get the security guard in on this action.
You gonna make a play?
Yeah.
Oh, it stopped.
Yeah, it's stopped.
That was PCC's beat.
The PCC, the college alert went off.
Get out. Classes are over. I'm done. I don't want to do anything.
Oh, baby.
That was. I enjoyed that a lot. Do you think that was SDI? Or was that just like. See, that's something that he was doing a lot in game 1, which we were missing out on game 2. Well, first stock, obviously. He did well with it, but either way, game 2 he was missing out on. He's kind of like. Not like pseudo reads. And that was a read, but he didn't get as much.
He actually got that. I wasn't sure what he could do to take that stock. I thought he was still holding the gyro, so a smash attack was not an option. But I guess it wasn't. See, you can't really challenge the down tilt on shield. It's kind of annoying. Unless you vary it, but that only gives you 18 frames to do it.
Would it be like retreat? Would you want to just retreat it?
Yeah, pretty much. You have to respect that. You have to respect it a lot. And you can't really stay in the same position either.
You have to be
Like, you don't spot dodge it. He just gets something for free. It's reactable.
good showing from this show. Wait, this has been showing a lot of like good. Has been showing a lot of like good game one, very convincing game ones, very convincing game twos, and then very close game threes.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
I'm playing. I'm playing here. Me and Casey.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, who-
Okay.